Welcome to 60 Seconds of Unreal, where I teach you how to use Unreal Engine in 60 seconds or less. An actor is any object that can be placed inside of your level, such as a camera, static mesh, or any actor blueprint that you make. They have a begin play, a tick/update function, which you can turn off, a transformation such as your location and rotation of the object, and they can contain other actors and components. You can spawn an actor in by either dragging it into your scene, or at runtime by calling the spawn actor from class node, which takes the transform and an actor class. The latter will only spawn the actor with default settings, so for example, if you spawn a static mesh actor, you will not see it because it doesn't have any mesh set. To do this, create a blueprint class which contains a static mesh and spawn that one in. You can get all the actors inside of your scene of a specific class by using the node get all actors of class. Be careful though, because this loops to all of your actors inside of your scene. Thus, it is quite a performance heavy function and shouldn't be used every frame. You could use this, for example, to get all the potential spawn points you have set in your level and spawn pickups on those places. Or you might want to know how many keys there are left inside of your level before you open the door.